The fact that you've clicked on this video shows me you know who Peter McKinnon is, and probably also who Squarespace Pete is, because Squarespace Pete is Peter McKinnon's... Oh, hey man, I'm kind of in the middle of something. It's not a good time now.
See, I got this project I'm working on, and
can we maybe talk about this later?
Yeah, sure, I can come back later.
Right.
See you.
And Squarespace Pete is his alter ego, who keeps appearing in his videos, or at least did so in his past. And I always wondered, man, how does he actually make it so quirky on the one hand, and also how does it have this special feeling to it? And I think probably the biggest element to this whole Squarespace Pete thing is the music. And if the music is this quirky and this special, it will give the whole scene a really cool atmosphere. And I have used this effect in a couple of videos now, and I really love it. Not only on videos that appear on YouTube, but also videos that I have produced for customers, because it's a lot of fun to produce, and you can create a conversation within a video without the need of another actor or another protagonist. Hey, is now bad time? So when I realized that the music had such a tremendous effect on the whole atmosphere and on the whole setting, I went digging for what the track actually is, and that wasn't that easy. But some of his videos are sponsored by Epidemic Sound, and he openly says that he has an Epidemic Sound license. And I do have an Epidemic Sound license myself, so I tried with a bit of Shazamming and a little bit of using some words to find the right track. I found the track. And funny enough, it is called The Appropriate Stalker, which I think fits perfectly to the image of both Squarespace Pete and whoever you want to introduce to your videos. If you like this effect and the artificial dialogue you can create with it, then I highly recommend you check out Pete's tutorial to it, because I think it doesn't need to be reproduced, it's already perfect. And of course, I also recommend you find the appropriate music. You don't need to use Epidemic Sound, you don't even need to use exactly the same track, but if you're looking for an appropriate song, then I highly recommend you look for quirky and or eccentric. And then you can turn this effect and this scene into something that's as funny and also as effective as what Pete is doing with Squarespace Pete. So happy producing, happy creating. Hello, buongiorno.